Hey everyone, and welcome back. It just hit me. Remember all that time we used to spend on research? Like hours, days even, sifting through mountains of papers.
Right.
What if there was a way to do all of that, like way faster, smarter even?
What if I told you there is?
Okay, now you've got me hooked. You've got to tell me more.
AI.
Okay, so AI and research, that's got to be like way out there, right?
It's not as futuristic as you might think. It's already changing how we do research.
Okay, but like, what are we even talking about here?
This workshop series, it's called Use of AI Tools for Evaluation and Research. It's on TicketBed.
Okay, I mean, anything that makes research more efficient, I'm listening. But I'm sure some people listening are a little hesitant. AI and research.
It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. I get it. But it's all about giving you actual skills to use AI, like now, not in some distant future.
Okay, now we're talking. So tell me about this workshop. What's the format like?
So they have two levels, introductory and advanced, and you can pick which one suits you best or do both and get a discount.
A discount, you say?
15%. And it's all on Zoom, so you can join from, well, anywhere.
Zoom, a discount. I'm sold. But for our listeners who are listening along, what does the introductory level actually cover?
So imagine this. You're starting a brand new research project, and there's like a ton of AI tools out there, right?
Right, too many.
This level is all about finding the right tool for your project so you don't get lost in the AI jungle, you know?
That is super helpful. It's like having like a map to navigate the AI world and find the perfect tool for what you need.
Exactly. And on top of that, you'll learn all about prompting, how to talk to AI to get the insights you're actually looking for.
So it's not enough to just like use the tool. You've got to know how to communicate with it.
Exactly. It's all about the prompting. Plus, you'll learn about all the ethical considerations of using AI.
Right, because like with great AI power comes great responsibility or something like that. But let's be real, AI can be a lot, especially if you're just starting out. What's the time commitment for the introductory level?
So it's 3 days. 2 days are live sessions on Zoom with the facilitator, and then 1 day is for self-paced homework.
Nice. I like that it's flexible. Okay, so we've got the introductory level covered, but for those who are ready to level up their AI game, there's the advanced course, right? What's waiting for them there?
Okay, so remember how we were talking about finding the right AI tool for the job? Well, the advanced level teaches you how to build your own custom AI models and assistants.
So we're not just talking about using AI, we're talking about making it.
Exactly.
Okay, that's the next level. It's like instead of using a pre-made map, you're making your own map to completely uncharted territory.
Exactly.
Okay, you're blowing my mind here, building our own AI. That's incredible. But like for those of us who are new to this whole AI thing, what even are open and closed AI models?
That's a great question.
And why should researchers care about the difference?
Okay, so think of open AI models, kind of like open source software.
Okay, I think I'm following.
Everyone has access to it. You can even like play around with the code, change things up, make it your own.
Okay, I'm with you.
But then you've got closed models. Those are more like, what's a good example?
Like a trade secret.
Yes, like a secret recipe, something like that, where you don't actually know all the ingredients.
So with an open model, you can see the recipe, maybe add your own spice. And with a closed model, they're just like, trust us, it's good.
Exactly. And choosing between them really depends on what you're trying to do with your research.
So open models if you want transparency, but closed models might have more bells and whistles, even if you don't know exactly how they work.
Exactly.
And this workshop covers all of that.
It does, yeah.
Wow, that's a lot to cover.
And it gets even better.
There's more.
The advanced level also shows you how to use AI for, like, qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis, even gender analysis.
Wait, hold up. Gender analysis with AI? How does that even work?
It's pretty amazing. And they don't stop there. Remember how much time it takes to actually write up your findings?
Tell me about it. It's the worst.
Well, the advanced level even teaches you how to use AI to communicate your research. Imagine writing faster, clearer, and making a bigger impact.
Okay, now that's impressive. They really thought of everything. But let's be real, how much time do we have to dedicate to the advanced level?
So just like the introductory level, it's 3 days total, 2 days of live Zoom sessions, and then 1 day for self-paced homework.
Okay, so even with a busy schedule, it's doable.
Totally. Speaking of which, I actually did a little research on the facilitators, Philippa Dew and Anne-Marie Brown.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What did you find? Spill the tea.
Okay, so Philippa Dew, he's got this really impressive background in AI and research methodology, like real-world applications.
So he's not just talking the talk, he's walking the walk.
Exactly. He brings a ton of experience to the table.
Very cool. What about Anne Marie Brown?
Oh, she's interesting. She's got this unique mix of expertise in research, and apparently she's really passionate about making sure AI is developed ethically, which aligns perfectly with the workshop.
I love that they're focusing on responsible AI use because things could go sideways really fast if we're not careful, right?
For sure. And it's something they address directly in the workshop.
So for our listeners who are totally ready to jump into the AI world, where can they find more info about this workshop?
Head over to TicketButt. Just search Use of AI Tools for Evaluation and Research. And remember, 15% off if you sign up for both levels.
Yes, definitely take advantage of that. Okay, before we wrap up, one last thing to think about. Imagine an AI that's been trained on every research paper, every study, everything in your entire field.
Yeah.
It's like your own personal research oracle.
Whoa, that's a lot of knowledge.
Right. What could we achieve with that? What mysteries could we solve?
It's pretty mind-blowing.
It is exciting, but also a little bit scary.
For sure.
It's a huge responsibility to use that power responsibly.
Exactly. We can't forget about the ethical side of things.
Absolutely. Well, on that note, I think it's time to wrap up today's deep dive. We hope you're feeling inspired to explore the world of AI, and who knows, maybe even build your own AI research assistant one day.
The possibilities are endless.
They really are. Thanks for listening, everyone, and we'll catch you next time.